Verified Crypto News. If you want the very best in trading signals for cryptocurrencies, this is the place for it. They have the most accurate, profitable signals I've seen on the internet. And they're just absolutely fantastic. They're ethical and disciplined, and you'll constantly get the kind of calls that you need to be very profitable in the market. I like them so much, I'm even contributing my own technical analysis, which you will see in this video if you watch on Bitcoin, a trade I recently had, which was fantastic. But yeah, I think that education and the calls, you can't go wrong, and it's so reasonably priced. Check them out, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, this is the big picture view of Bitcoin, and we were buying as we were going lower here from the 8,000 all the way down to the 6,000 mark. We also had buy orders in the 5,000 area. We never went all the way down there, and I want to point out something here. Larger medium support. This acted as a conflict against the pattern that we had. The pattern would stretch all the way to the 200% level. Instead, it only went down to the 172.8. And there are ways for you to calculate this and to note when this happens and to plan for something like this. I did, and I got 1, 2, 3 entries instead of 4, which was fine. And I still have my target level, and we're getting close to that level. We're moving up. We're in above the 11K area, and I'm going to be looking for us to trade there within the next 24 hours due to the micro chart. I'll show you that as well. But let me point out some larger medium support, positive divergence, scaling in, structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, target level right there. All right, let's go to the shorter term chart. All right, now this is the shorter term view. It's a 2-hour chart. And I want to point to you the pattern that I see here in as far as retracements and expansion of price. We can see the larger resistance above here. It resides right there. We can see the short-term high that you have right here. Now, between that point and this point right here, I want you to see how we moved up and then back down. Now, again, ratio-wise, we went down to the 88.6 perfectly. Now, this is telling me a whole story about behavior as well as exact price. And now my algos came in at this point here. And this is the proprietary stuff that I do that has just based on time. And time, the arc, the energy, and the geometry. I went over and drew the exact vectored space that I thought that would follow the flight path. This dotted line that you see right here is its flight path. Think of a hurricane and following it out over time. Well, that's the calculation. So it should follow that. It's pretty much stayed within that, a little bit above, and should follow it out going forward in time for until 2 p.m. tomorrow from 4 a.m. this morning. And that's just the algo trade. So I'm using time. This is a buy block, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll get to this level up here and I'll be able to sell and move on to the next trade. But there you go, there are the elements. 1, 2, 3. Again, technical analysis using a simple trend line, using certain price behaviors and ratios if you want to learn them. Again, verifiedcryptonews.com. They are fantastic. You want signals, you want education, you want trades, and to know what's going on in the crypto market, this is the place. I think you'll love it. I do. See you there. Bye.